Hello students, today we'll be creating a new project in Scratch in which we'll be using the glide command and the next costume command. So we start with renaming the project as playground. And now here we will change the backdrop from for the stage. We choose a new backdrop from the library in the search window here. I'm writing play and I choose this playground as the stage. Now I bring my sprite over here and I want him to start from here every time I press the green flag. So for the coding of this sprite, I start from event. In events, I choose when green flag clicked. So as soon as I press the green flag, from motion, I want to make this character start from this position. So this is the x coordinate, that is minus 169, and the y coordinate is minus 94 for this character on the stage. I use the go to xy command. So even if the cat is standing here, but as soon as I press the green flag, the cat goes to this x and y coordinate on the stage. Now I want him to say something. So from the looks, I will be using say hello for 2 seconds. I'll change it to 1 second and another say hello. And here I want him to say, this is my school playground. Full stop. I'll make him say this for 1 second. Let us run this now. So he says, hello, this is my school playground. Okay. Now I want the sprite to move from here to here. So which command I should be using, children? A glide command. So if I go in motion and I bring this glide in 1 second to this position, now when I press the green flag, the character moved only this much in front because this is the new coordinate of x and y that I gave it. Sometimes what happens, uh, you might not, I will just show it to you again. When I press the green flag, it is standing here, and if I use the glide command now, so you can see the x and y position are same right now for the character. If I press the green flag, although the glide command is there, but the cat will not be moving because he's supposed to glide to the same position. So you can see there's no movement happening. To make the character move, I will remove this glide block, and then first I have to drag the character where I want him to move to. Now I will see here in the glide command, the new x and y coordinates of the cat have come here. This is minus 11 and minus 32. These are the x and y coordinates for the cat, and I'll place it here now. Now when I press the green flag, the cat starts from this position and then slowly in 1 second it glides to this position. After this, I want him to glide up this net. So I'll make him glide till here. So first take the character wherever you want him to be gliding to. Then bring the new glide command with the x and y coordinates. Again, after that, I want him to glide to this position. So the third time I'll bring the glide command. Let us run this now. So now 1 second it will take to come here, then 1 second to go here, and another 1 second to go up the net. Right? Now I want him to start jumping up and down the net. And before that, I want him to say something from looks. He will say, wow, I have made up the net. Okay. After this, I want him to start jumping up and down repeatedly for 3 times. So from control, I will be getting the repeat 10, and instead of 10 I will make it as 3. And now I want the cat to first glide till here. Okay, this is the position supposedly I want him to jump to. So from motion I will bring the glide in 1 second. This is the new position, and over there, and then I bring him down here. This is the old position where he'll jump down. So here again I bring the glide command. Now if I run this, let us see. He's gliding up the net. I've made up to the net, and then he goes up and down, up and down. Right? This is happening 3 times. He goes up in 1 second and then comes down in 1 second. And this repeatedly happened 3 times. Now, if you want him to move to over this net, you can do the same. You can first turn. You can turn this cat. You can turn his direction, point in direction, and here point the direction of the cat towards -90. But now the whole body will be turning. So to make sure only the left and right side of the body turns, so before turning, set the rotation style of the character left and right. And then he should glide from here to here. This is the new position. So from motion, I can bring glide command. Okay, let us run this now. Starts jumping 3 times. And now changes direction and goes that way. Right? Now again, I want him to climb this way. So another new glide command. And then I want him to glide down here. Another glide command. And then I want him to glide here. Or I will change his direction now before coming this side. I'll turn him again 90 direction and then glide to this new position. So he will glide to this new position. Okay, now let me make it full screen and we'll run the project. Okay, do you know why he's turning that way? This is because last time we stopped the project, his direction was -90. So it started with the same direction for the cat. So it's better that in the beginning you set the direction, point in direction to 90 in the beginning, to the right hand side, and then start off. So now let us run this. He starts pointing in the right hand side direction, goes up the net, starts jumping up and down, feeling happy to have climbed the net, changes the direction, moves across the net, comes down, again changes direction and comes down. So this is the whole project. You have made the character move in the playground using the glide command. I hope you enjoy working on this. See you.